Why are plants mostly green? Plants are mostly green because of something called chlorophyll. Let's learn why. 1. Color of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a special green pigment found in plant leaves. It's like the plant's superhero, helping it make food and grow strong. 2. Sunlight power. Plants use chlorophyll to soak up sunlight. This sunlight helps plants turn water and carbon dioxide into food through a process called photosynthesis. 3. Green reflection. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight really well, except for green light. Instead of absorbing green light, chlorophyll reflects it back, making the plant look green to our eyes. 4. Healthy and happy. Being green helps plants stay healthy and happy. It's like wearing a special suit that helps them grow big and strong. So, plants are mostly green because of chlorophyll, which helps them make food and grow. It's like their secret ingredient for staying healthy and strong.